Hello friends, today we will learn to make beautiful tiara by using flowers and pearls. So let's start.
To make tiara we require yellow paper, pearls, pencil, circular shape, 2 wires, scissors, light yellow paper and glue. First we will prepare rose flowers of paper. Now follow the steps as shown.
So fast that you'll miss it if you blink. So now watch out. There's a billion stars right on the brink of now in the Milky Way. In the Milky so fast that you'll miss it if you blink. So now watch out. There's a billion stars right on the brink of now in the Milky Way. In the Milky Way. It's possible that we may never know the depth. Hey now, it's passing so fast that you'll miss it if you blink. So now watch out. There's a billion stars right on the brink of now in the Milky Way.
Our rose flower is ready. Now we will prepare tiara with the help of wire and pearls. Follow the steps as shown.
When the stars align with a certain mind, you can read the lines and you shall find a universal light, just one of a kind. Look up to the sky, let yourself unwind. Hey now, it's passing so fast that you'll miss it if you blink. So now watch out. There's a billion stars right on the brink of now in the Milky Way. In the Milky Way. An emptiness so vast yet so complete. It makes me feel so small standing on my feet.
Now we will stick rose flowers to it.
Nothing really matters, it's a deceit. Hey now, it's passing so fast that you'll miss it if you blink. So now watch out. There's a billion stars right on the brink of now in the Milky Way.
Our beautiful tiara is ready.